Hello there! I am Farto, again, I'm interviewing for Rock Out Loud Inc. for, this person right here. I think it's a monkey or something.
Why you wanna kill me?
What?
Oh, you wanna kill me?
I don't get it. What'd you say?
Why you wanna kill me?
I don't want to kill you. Already then. What's your name?
That is my secret identity. I cannot admit my secret identity.
Really? Oh! Oh jeez. Can you say what they call you?
I'm a crazy monkey assassin.
I was right, you are a monkey. Can you prove that you're a monkey?
No, I can't prove I'm a monkey.
Oh my god. Oh crap. Sorry for the language. Sorry. It's not really a bad word though. Anyways, so, what do you do for a living?
What was the question again?
What do you do for a living?
Well, I pretty much go around and kill people. You know.
Oh! Oh! Oh, I want my mommy. I want my mommy.
Yeah, so basically that's what I do. You know, I idolize people like Batman. Batman, you know, Bruce Wayne. He's always been my biggest idol in life.
You say it like Bruce. Oh, jeez. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Crap.
What? Oh. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Wake up, interview man.
Oh, right. So, hold on. Right, so, you got any friends? Alright.
I have no time for friends.
I guess not, because you'd kill him.
I already had a friend. Let me tell you about him. It was a good story. You know, his name was, Elvis. Elvis, he was a skunk. He used to be my good friend.
Really?
Until one day, he went into my basement.
And why is that such a problem?
You don't want to go in my basement.
Oh, I see. Don't smack me again. Just hold on.
Here. Who are you?
Well, who's that? Hey! I know you. You're my best friend. Oh! Oh! I thought we were good, man. I thought we were good.
You don't know me.
Oh!
You don't know me.
Oh!
Why do you want to kill me?
He's dead. Stop asking him questions. He's dead. Dead people can't answer questions. So can you show me your face?
Why do you want to kill me?
Okay. Can you take off your mask? Can you?
No.
Why not?
Because my secret identity may not be let out into the public.
Hey, I just noticed something. You got boobs.
Shut up.
Okay. Okay. You're stuck on your blanket. Anyways, what's your favorite color?
Black.
Oh my god.
Like the very pit of my soul.
Oh my god. When a part of the battery went dead.
Sucks.
Okay, so what else can you tell me about your life?
Well, I can tell you one thing that's gonna happen to you in the future, buddy.
Ah! Ah! Mommy! 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 Oh!
That's all I gotta tell you, punks. No, get out of my face! Get